The rain gods have finally given way and SKM Salem Spartans are ready for Dindigul Dragons challenge. This is match number 18 and we come to you live from NPR College Ground, Dindigul. The revised playing conditions. Let's play is the call from the umpire. Slip in place first ball, Uday Kumar. And Shivam goes chasing at it. Incredible. The home crowd wants to see more of this as well from the Dragons. And it just got better.
As Vineet gets an edge. Will that go for 4 or would it be stopped? No. Wants to go for the single. This could be close. This will be referred, of course, as there is a direct hit.
Is that to hand? That could go to hand. First, oh, that's just terrible. First ball, Krish, really?
Well, Krish isn't going to fly today. Makes room this time over long off. This is beautiful. This could be an opportunity. Vivek takes the catch at long off. So Karthik has got his reward. Shivam, as you said, was looking a little impatient in his arc and he's gone with the shot. He'll evade the fielder for 6. Goes over long on, beats the fielder.
Positive batting throughout. Only height, Karthik settling and he takes the catch. A very important wicket in the context of the game. Partnership broken. Vivek puts his hand up and provides the wicket.
Bang! Yet again from the skipper. Gotten on with it with the very first ball. This is swung away on the onside. 50 for the skipper in some style as well. Gets to it with a massive 6. Now Hani Saini on strike. He goes big as well. He goes for 6 too. Launches it into the night sky, way beyond the stadium, into the trees. Goes big in the air. Chance for Karthik. They have caught well today. And he doesn't let this one go either. 2 catches, both of Vivek's bowling, both taken by Karthik. And eventually Hani Saini has to go. Again in the air. Fielder under it. Could be the end of the innings. It is. Another wicket picked up. And the decision to go with Vivek for the final over, reaping rich dividends. Nirankar comes in, goes big, he's got enough. Looks to back away, swings it away on the onside, fielder in the deep, catch should be taken. Oh, he's let it down though. And that's now the joint second highest total. They finish at 239 for 6.
There is a bit of movement, but it's going to be a wide and they get off the mark. Makes room. This is the flair that we were talking about as the ball goes all the way for 6. To mid-wicket. The first wicket goes. Hari Nishant doesn't connect. The first blow for the SKM Salem Spartans.
See, the batting average also comes down. That's played well in the gap.
What a hit. That's gone all the way for 6.
Goes big again. And this should be yet another handsome 6. All I can say is that was not a particularly clever shot by Vivek.
Looking for the second. Great throw from the deep, right on top of the stumps. And the Dindigul Dragons. Vimal Kumar with some brilliance in the field. Pulled away. Man out there. Flat. And straight to the man. Viju Arul comes into the attack and picks up a wicket. And it's the skipper, S. Abhishek. It's an opportunity. Fine leg. With a good catch. Not easy conditions here. The ball is getting wet. That Sandeep Warrior, with all that experience, pulls off a good one. Big hit. Goes the distance. Opportunity. Long on, deep mid wicket, both converging. Long on takes it. Well judged in the end.
Well, perhaps that was the strategy, to continue going big, because after all, you're chasing a massive mountain of 239.
Quick.
This should be taken at long on. Easy catch there. So Karthik perishes while trying to up the ante. Last ball of the over. This is a gift really, as Sandeep Warrior comes from round the wicket. There we go. Yet again. Charges down the ground. Yes, he's edged it through to the wicket keeper. There was almost no reaction from Indrajit, as Mohammad likes to swing his bat.
Ah, struck there. Striking timber. Just what we were mentioning, playing all over that one. M. Mohammad. And that's the third one for him. Going down the ground. That's a mighty shot. Very nicely played. Chepauk. 15 done, so that's the end of the game as well. Comprehensive big win for Dindigul Dragons, winning this game 81 runs.